Hello and welcome. Great viewers all over the world, wherever you're watching me from, I thank you so much for joining me on this episode. I appreciate you wherever you're connecting from. If you're joining me from any part of the world, I say thank you very much for your contribution to the channel. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a video. You will be among the first to receive it. Thank you so much. And remember, in this channel, we do not talk against people, neither do we preach hate speech, but we are bringing information to your doorstep. There are so many information that will elude us because we are too busy or because of one thing or the other. I make research to get these videos to bring it to your doorstep. You watch the video. After watching, you can go to the comment section and put down your comments. It is for educational purpose. It is for us to get informed. It is not to demonize anybody or to talk down on anybody, but to set the record straight. Because the conventional media most times cannot do everything for us. They can't say it the way we want it. We come on social media, we share these videos, then we go to the comment section and we share our views. Feel free to say it the way you feel it. Nobody's going to attack you. Nobody's going to come against you. Just express yourself. That is what we are doing on this channel. And we'll continue to bring news and information. More especially news about Nigeria, Africa, and the world as well, in general. We'll bring it to your doorstep for you to know what is actually going on. If you stick to us, you will never be left behind. You will be updated and you will know what is going on. That is why we are here. Thank you so much for joining. Let us watch this video. Watch it patiently from beginning to the end. I will bet you will not regret your date. Let's watch.
Well, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, makes an appearance in court wearing the same Fendi outfit. Well, this is contrary to the order made by Justice Binta Nyako that he be allowed to change the outfit before his next appearance in court. Justice Nyako of the Federal High Court, Abuja, is presently hearing the application of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, challenging the propriety of his trial, as well as the competence of the charge against him. Now, Justice Binta Nyako had adjourned the hearing to February the 16th after Mr. Kanu pleaded not guilty to the amended 15-count charges brought against him by the federal government, in which he was charged with terrorism-related offences. The prosecution counsel, Shuaibu Labaran, informed the court that the defense counsel had filed and served him with 2 applications, which he had responded accordingly. He adds that the first application is seeking an order quashing the 15-count amended charge leveled against Mr. Kanu, and the other one seeking his bail. The counsel to Nnamdi Kanu, Mr. Michael Zekome, however, complained bitterly that the DSS has vehemently refused to allow Mr. Kanu a change of clothes, contrary to a definite order of the court that he must be allowed to wear a new outfit. Mr. Zekome further adds that thrice Kanu's younger brother has been refused access to the DSS facility where Mr. Kanu is being detained. But the lead counsel lamented that since Mr. Kanu was arrested and detained, his eyeglass was seized by the DSS and has since not been returned to him. He asked that his glasses be returned to him so he doesn't go blind. However, Justice Nyako said the complaint has been noted and directed Michael Zekome to proceed with the business of the day. At this juncture, Mr. Zekome said he has an application which basically seeks the quashing, striking out and dismissing of the 15-count amended charge against Nnamdi Kanu for being incompetent and denying the court of jurisdiction to entertain the 15-count amended charge. For the application, with 34 grounds and supported by a 36-paragraph affidavit, Mr. Michael Zekome said also said that he seeks for an order acquitting and discharging Nnamdi Kanu for want of jurisdiction and effective, baseless and incompetent charges. Now, the matter has been adjourned to April the 8th to rule on Kanu's applications to quash the charge. Meanwhile, the DSS has said the clothes brought by Nnamdi Kanu's family had a lion heart drawn on it, and that it offends their operating procedures. When asked by the judge the type of clothes he prefers to wear, Nnamdi Kanu said, quote, "I want to wear the clothes of my people, Isiagu," but the court refused his request.
Counter affidavits stating that they came on the wrong side of the law, and we take steps to bring to the attention of the court the relevant provisions of the law that suggest that this charge is well-founded and it is filed appropriately and filed at the right place and in accordance with the extant rule and the law that guides the procedure of this honorable court. And we hope and believe this is one offense that is captured in the open space. It's proving all the counts in this charge requires no any effort. It is one charge that within the twinkle of an eye, if the trial is allowed to continue, it will be concluded within record time. And we are optimistic that this honorable court will do justice. And like I always say, this is just one of the several antics employed to delay criminal trial in Nigeria. But for this, we are ever ready to actually showcase that our criminal justice system is effectively working well. Time shall tell.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yes,
And also on the issues of
yes, in 2015, when the trial first started, Nnamdi Kanu's glasses were seized, and they are still with the DSS. Till date, he has no glasses. So when he now ran abroad for his jail life, when the military invaded his home at Afarauku, Ibeko, Umuahia in Abia State on the 14th of September 2017, he escaped by the whiskers of his hair. Through, he was just lucky. Don't forget that on that day, 28 unarmed civilians, innocent civilians, were gruesomely murdered. So he escaped. And that's the person you are saying jump bail. What you jump bail when instead of coming to court for trial, you voluntarily escape. But when you escape, when you run away from death, that cannot be jumping bail. Nnamdi Kanu would have died. So when he now went to London, where he's also a British citizen, he had another glass, which again was sealed on him and broken when he was captured in Kenya, like a common criminal, and forcefully renditioned to Nigeria. So today he has no glasses to use. So the court now has ordered the DSS to ensure that he gets his glasses.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have learned something from what you have just watched in the video. Let us go to the comment section and put down our comments from what you have just watched. Let us try to make a sense out of every nonsense that we have seen and watched and heard. Let us make a sense out of it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a video. You will be among the first to receive it. Thank you so much for joining. I will see you again next time. Remember blessed.